What is an unsupported decision in Massachusetts? An unsupported decision is where the department did not find, quote unquote, reasonable cause to believe that a caretaker has abused or neglected a child in Massachusetts under Massachusetts law. The importance of that is that you're not put on the DCF Central Registry. Therefore, will have no ramifications against your employment. Employment, I mean, is by being someone working with children in a professional capacity, such as a teacher, such as a school nurse, a guidance counselor, a principal, such as a bus driver, a daycare worker, a social worker. Anyone working with children in the professional field of children could lose their job with a supported 51A. On the other hand now, you must realize, and this is where the confusion comes in many times, your name, regardless of what you do, whether it's unsupported, the 51A will stay in DCF system for history reasons, so that if there is another 51A filed against you, they will bring the first one up and include that in an investigation. That's really important to understand and realize. And there's nothing you can do to expunge that from the DCF records. It's there forever. However, it does not affect your job and your employment as a professional with children. It's a very important distinction that should be made. The other important distinction that needs to be made is that when a case is closed, many people mistakenly think, well, if it's closed, the 51A filed against me for abuse and neglect is no longer. That is not the case. When a case is closed, it means DCF doesn't come out to your house anymore. Isn't going to be calling you or writing to you or bothering you. But that allegation of abuse or neglect against you as a caretaker, the only place you can unsupport that, you must file within 30 days of receipt of the letter that says you abused and neglected the child to the DCF Fair Hearing Unit, or what's called a fair hearing. When they close a case, it does not mean your allegation of child abuse and neglect against you is unsupported, reversed, or overturned. Please do not make that mistake. I've had many a client not appeal to a fair hearing, mistakenly believe because their case was closed by DCF that they do not have to file for an appeal.